Hi, hello, vanakkam, and welcome back to yet another episode on your favorite Letters Law YouTube channel. So today in this video, we are going to see about cron jobs. So cron jobs with the containers in a Kubernetes environment. So firstly, let me explain what is a cron job is, and then I will explain you what are all the advantages and the uses of using a cron job using mainly with the Kubernetes. So firstly, I'll explain you what is a cron job in a very simple term. So here we have the clusters and in the mini cube. So let me connect the mini cube and here I have the cron jobs. Yeah. So can you see? You can see the cron jobs, which is item is list is empty. So we're going to create on cron job as part of this video. But before that, let's see what is a cron job and I'll explain you why do we need to use cron jobs in the Kubernetes. So mainly, so just imagine you have a coffee maker with a timer. So your daily routine is you have to think about your morning routine where you have to set your coffee maker to brew coffee at 7 a.m. every day because you're just starting your office a little early at 7 a.m. and or like 8 a.m. But you are someone who wants to take a coffee at 7 a.m. every day, so you don't have to remember to start it each morning. It automatically starts brewing at this same set time, right? So that is being done by the coffee maker with a timer. So cron job in Kubernetes is similar to that because a cron job in Kubernetes is like the coffee maker, the smart coffee maker. It automatically runs specific tasks or jobs at scheduled time without you having to manually start them every time. So some of the real world examples in terms of the organizations where we use, so like doing daily backup where you might back up your data every night without thinking about it. A cron job can automatically back up your data every day. And for weekly report, say for example, you want to send some weekly status report and imagine generating a report every Monday morning without any manual effort. A cron job can handle that automatically. So in this scenario, why a cron job is useful? So it takes care of repetitive tasks for you, ensuring they happen consistently and on time. So that's the main thing. And the second part is just like your coffee maker, which is reliably brews coffee each morning with the same quality, with the same quantity, cron jobs reliably execute tasks at their scheduled time. So now I'll start with creating the Kubernetes, and then I will explain you one by one, like I mean, how to do that cron job, creating the cron job step by step. And before that, this is me, Yasan Shanmugam. I welcome you all to our Little's Law YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed it yet, and don't forget to join my channel for more exclusive content. You'll be getting more good access for the training videos and more interactions with me. And then don't forget to subscribe, share the video with your friends, and give a thumbs up if you like this video. So now we have our mini cube, the container running, and then we'll start creating the cron job now step by step. So now I'll create a cronjob.yaml file under the original location. So this is the place where we are creating all the files. So I'm going to create cronjob.yaml, and when I open this, I get a file, and yeah, this is the file. This is the command that we're going to run. So this is a cron job, and it uses API version batch v1, and the name is going to be my cron job. So you'll get this name whenever you run this job. Like it's a way to naming your cron job, and then this cron job will run for every 5 minutes. So this one here, let me explain you what these 5 stars means. So the first star here in this example, I'm giving star/5, so which means it runs for every 5 minutes. But mainly the star stands for minute. So the first star is minute. So let me add that as well. So the first one is minute, and then the second one is hour, and the third one is day of the month, and the fourth one is month, and then the day of the week. So it's mainly the day of the week. So it can be Sunday to Saturday. So Sunday is 0 and Saturday, sorry, yeah, Sunday is 0 and 7 is Saturday. So it goes that way. So the first thing is, like, if you add slash 5, it will run for every 5 minutes. And the same way for if you make it a /1, it will run for every 1 hour, and for the day of the month as well. So it is again a big topic for scheduling the cron job. And then this particular job is going to print hello from the Kubernetes cluster. So I have the echo command. So the echo command will print hello from the Kubernetes cluster, and I'm going to use the image busybox, and the name is going to be hello. So this is very simple. I mean, like going forward, we are going to build it more, but to explain you what is cron job and to monitor how cron job works, we are going to use this particular demo in this video. And yeah, so now we are done. Let me save this file, and then what I'll do is let me go to the lens here, and let me just copy this file location, and let me cd into that location here, and let me do the kubectl apply -f cronjob.yaml. So this will create the cron job in my Kubernetes cluster. So if you see here, the cron job.batch, my cron job is created, and now we can see the cron job here. So kubectl get cron job, we can get this. So my cron job, which runs for every 5 minutes, and it is not suspended and it is active. So last schedule is not yet done, and the age is just 16 seconds. So only after 5 minutes you will be able to see the very first command that has been sent. And if you want to see the logs for this, so it's going to be kubectl logs and then the my cron job. So this will give you, okay, it's not found yet. Let me get it again. Yep, I think it takes a few more seconds to get it triggered. But yeah, let's go to the cron jobs here, and here you can see we have got the namespace, we have got the schedule, it's running. So far it's like 56 seconds and it's running. So let's wait for 5 more minutes and let's see its first trigger, and let's see how does it work. So now let's see the cron job, how is it working. So for that I'm going to give kubectl get jobs. So this will show me the cron job that I have created. So let me just copy this for now so that we can see the logs for this particular cron job if required. So you can see the list of jobs, each with a unique name based on the cron job. So if in case we are creating multiple cron jobs, we can see that. So now we have crossed the 5 minutes of time. So we should be able to see the message, the hello message. And then I'm going to type kubectl get pods. So this will get me the pods and the job. So I'm just copying the pod, the cron job name here, and let me do the kubectl get, sorry, kubectl logs of the cron job. So now you can see at September 1, 9:55 UTC, it's UTC time zone, and I'm able to see the message, the hello from the Kubernetes cluster. So this is what the message which I have, just to do a cross check. So this is the message which I wanted to print through the cron job. So I'm getting it very successfully. So this is how the cron job works. And like I told you, this is the way the cron job works. I mean, the cron job is something which will do the job automatically every day, every time which I want to print it. And yeah, some of the key components. So let me just take you through the key components. So some of the key components is the cron format. So we have to define, or you have to define when the job should run, and this is the line, should run using the standard cron syntax, and it also will take care of the time zone. So it runs based on the cluster's time zone unless it is specified. And mainly, what is a cron job? So cron job in a Kubernetes is a specialized resource that allows you to run periodic and scheduled tasks within your Kubernetes cluster, and this leverages the same syntax as Unix like cron for scheduling, but it is managed with the Kubernetes ecosystem, and it has a job template as well. So it the pod specification. So you have to define, or you have to detail the containers. So here you can see we have got the containers to run, which includes the name of the container, the image, the commands, arguments, the folder location, the file, and then the date which is it's going to print, and the resource management as well. Like even we can also specify the resource request and limit, like we can ensure we can give the CPU and memory resources as well. And when it comes to concurrency policy, we can allow multiple instances of the job to run concurrently, and also we can prevent new jobs from starting if the previous one are still running. So because in some scenario, if a particular job is taking too much of time, we can delay that for new request to create to start, so we can keep the old one running, and then we can also cancel the currently running job and replace it with a new one. So these are some of the things which we can do, and when it comes to starting the deadline second, so we can define a time limit for starting the job if the scheduler misses the exact time. So these are like much more we are going to discuss about one by one in the upcoming videos. So for now, this is a very basic cron job, and then even we can see like how many completed and failed job execution has to be retained, and it helps us to manage the resources usage and in long retention as well. So let me go back again here. Yep, so far we have the age of this cron job is like 8 minutes and 15 seconds, and we were able to successfully run this cron job. So this is one of the example, and there are like too many examples which we can create. And we will just, like I told you, we'll just add some more examples to it one by one, and it'll help you to understand how a cron job work. So far, this is a very basic, a very simple one. And in case if you want to have any Kubernetes related training, please do message me. Please do reach me out. I'm going to plan a Kubernetes training, a one-day training someday in September, October. So that's the plan. And for now, I'm taking a leave, and I believe this video will be very useful to you. So until I meet you in my next video, it's bye bye from Vasan Shanmugam and your favorite Little Slaw YouTube channel. Take care and bye bye.